Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are hale and hearty at home. Uh, you all know that just because of extreme cold weather conditions, your schools are not running. So, we are back here with the online classes. Today, I am going to start chapter 8 of Social and Political Life, that is, Rural Livelihoods. Before starting this chapter, I would like to request you should be ready with your book, pencil, pen and notebook. As you all know that you have studied about the diversity. You know that diversity exists everywhere. You have studied about the factors, different factors that affects the diversity. And after that you have studied about the what is government, how does government work, and then you have studied about the administrative work carried out in the rural and the urban areas. Now what we will study in this chapter, see, livelihood. What do you mean by the livelihood? Livelihood means how the people earn their money to live. Rural means in village areas. So, what you will study in this chapter, we will look at the different ways in which people earn their living in villages. We will also examine whether people have equal opportunities to earn a living, and as well as we will look at the similarities in their life situations and the problems that they face in their life. So, this is one of the most interesting chapter. I think you all have visited the villages, and if we will talk about the villages, the first thing comes in our mind that the people are mainly engaged in the farming work. But it is not so. There are various other activities also. People are engaged in non-farming work also. So, well, this is an introductory video. So, first of all, mm, you should know that what we are going to study in this chapter. So, the story of different people are given here. So, the first is the topic is the Kalpattu village. The people who are living in the Kalpattu village are Thulasi, Sekhar, Ramalingam, and Karuthamma. These are the people living in the Kalpattu village. So we will study the story about these peoples. Then one topic is on being in debt. Debt uh, means that someone who has taken the loan and they are unable to pay it. So we will study about these people, that how these people are earning their money to live in the village areas. Moving forward, we will study about the terrace farming in Nagaland, and after that we will study about the agricultural laborers and farmers in India, and then we will study a different story of different village related to Aruna and Parivelan, and then we will study about the rural livelihood in comprehensive form. So let's start this chapter. Look at this image. Various activities are shown in this image. Someone is selling the vegetable, someone is doing the farming work, two people they are catching the fish, one man is spraying the insecticides, shop is there, and many other works are also shown here. So related to this image, some of the questions are given in your book. The first question is, describe the work that you see people doing in the above pictures. So what you have to do, you have to see, you have to find out the different types of work given in the image, and you have to note down in your rough notebook. Now the second question is, identify the different types of work that are related to farming and those that are not. List these in a table. In this question you have to make a table, and you have to uh, separately write down the farming work and the non-farming work. Farming work like sowing, harvesting, and like this, and the non-farming work like basket weaving, repairing cycle, blacksmith, like this. Okay. And then the third is, in your notebook draw some pictures of work that you have seen people do in rural areas and write a few sentences that describe the work. I hope that you all have visited the villages, so you all know the kinds of work you have seen in the villages. So you have to draw one of the picture and you have to write few sentences that describes the type of work. For your reference, I am also sharing one of the link. Kindly watch it. It will help you to understand the concept of this topic. So this is enough for today. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you and have a nice day.